Hi friends, happy new year. This is the first video of this year 2025 and I'm so excited. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Please keep watching, keep subscribing. Please subscribe if you haven't, and let's have an amazing year. Yes, we're unboxing an advent calendar and this is my first ever advent calendar like that. So this was supposed to be last month's video, yeah. But if you're in Canada, you'll know that Canada Post has been on a very long break. They weren't delivering, but now they're delivering and the package is here. So why not use it as my first video for this year, right? So this is an advent calendar from Davidstea. And I saw this on Mia Maples' video. I love you, Mia. Love you. So this is a 12 days advent calendar, and on the description on the website, when I was checking the description, they listed the things that were inside, like the name of the teas, and immediately I saw the headache tea. I was like, I had to get this. And for someone that loves tea, yes, I do love tea. I do. So for someone that loves tea, I decided to make this my first ever advent calendar. Let's unbox.
So nice. Oh.
First off, I love this box. I don't know why. I think I'm gonna keep it. So this is what is inside. Oh. Why do I have HelloFresh in here? That's so funny. Anyways, this is the package. Is this not beautiful? Like, just look at this. Yeah, this is so nice. So this is the 12 nights of herbal tea. Yes, 12 nights. It's caffeine free though. Like, when I saw it on Mia's video, I was like, okay, yeah. I have to get this. I love the way, you know, she and her mom were unboxing, and I was like, yeah, I have to get this. And then I went on their website and ooh, look at this. Why am I putting it like that? Oh my god, this is so nice. I love this box. I love the packaging. It is so nice. So this is the first number one. How do you ooh, this is like see, that smells exactly like, wait, like cookies and cream with cinnamon. It smells so good. It's so good. Like, this is so good. And number two, this is so funny watching me like, I don't know, unbox an advent calendar. Ooh, is this date? Ooh, now I don't know which one. I have to go check on the website. Which one is the, oh, it's on the, oh my god, girl, look at the description. Oh wait, it's like this. So this is caramel shortbread. Okay. 3. Oh, I love this. Feels so good to unbox all of this. This one is organic. Yes, this is the headache tea. This is the headache tea. Wait, we'll come back to this. I can't open it. Number 4, please. Earl Grey. If you love Earl Grey. Yeah, that's it. That's the smell. I'm trying to go as fast as possible. This is Reshi Relax Fruit Infusion. What does that mean? What does that mean? Ooh. Oh. My god. That is, it actually has like a strawberry scent to it. This is the Alpine Punch. I just love the fact that, you know, you get to have different flavors in your tea. That's cool, guys. Oh yes. This is, oh, chamomile. Okay, I'm familiar with chamomile, so yeah, chamomile has the most subtle smell ever. Number 8, this is the sledge ride. Santa's ride. Ooh, that's like cookies and candy cane. That's so beautiful. This is like exactly like cookies, like gingerbread. Oh my god, this is like gingerbread. This is cinnamon rooibos chai. Rooibos? I don't know. Ooh. Ugh. Two more to go. This is peppermint. Ooh, yes. I love peppermints too. I love all this. I love them. Ooh. But this is peppermint, okay? It smells exactly like that. Even better. Better than peppermint. 11, super ginger. This is super ginger. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, that's ginger. That is ginger. I think this tea, if I remember, I'm gonna put it up here. Like, how many times can I drink this? Or like per serving. And then the last box, this is Silent Night.
Silent night, holy night, holy calm, holy bright, round your virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender at night, sleeping heavenly peace.
So this is Silent Night. Come on. Oh my god, this one is like the headache one. Okay. Ooh, wait, what is this? I cannot say for real. I can't say what this smells like. It smells so good, but I cannot say what it is. Let's try this headache tea once more. It's the number 3, the 3rd day of our. Come on. Yes. Okay, this headache tea is not as full as the other ones. Like you can, it's not as full. This is the one that I wanted. Ooh, it smells exactly like the sleigh ride. Is it the sleigh ride one? Yeah. Is it the sleigh ride one or the peppermint? I think it's the peppermint. So our tea is here. And I don't have what I can use to like sieve it. Yeah, because I will always drink tea bags. So this is my first time, so I believe I need a teapot and a sieve. So but anyways, this is how the tea looks like, the headache one. Yeah, it looks nice. Looks like tea. So let's have a taste. Oh my god, it's hot. The smell or the scent makes it better. Yeah, it actually makes it better, to be honest. Like, this is good, but this I have to get some. I have to get a sieve. I thought the sieve that I have would do justice, but they're too tiny like for that sieve. I'm gonna be having lots and lots of teas. Tell me why I didn't know about this brand before. Like, just tell me how. Treasure. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.